This is the easiest way to hang something on your wall. Grab yourself some painter's tape. Put it on top of your level like that. Take whatever you're gonna hang and flip it over. Take your level with the side of the painter's tape and put it on your hangers. I'll go ahead and put a mark on the center of your hanger. Once you get your level situated, you can transfer your marks to the wall. Now, because we know there's only one stud on this wall, we're gonna have to add some drywall anchors. These are just the ones you tap in. Set the depth of your screw. There. Isn't that sweet? It's level and everything.